Join me on an immersive walking tour of Capri, the stunning blue island off the Amalfi Coast. In this 4K video, we explore the vibrant streets, luxurious boutiques, and blooming gardens of this Italian paradise. Starting from the charming town of Capri, we take you through historic Giardini di Augusto, with its breathtaking views and vibrant flowers. Finally, we descend to the bustling ferry port of Marina Grande. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of Italy, this walk through Capri offers a perfect escape. Experience the beauty of Capri, from Naples to the picturesque paths leading to Marina Piccola. Welcome to Capri, and thank you for watching this walking tour video of the Blue Island. The island is indeed known as the Blue Island, and if you've been here, you know why. The blue of the sky and the ocean have a special shade here, I can assure you. And then there's the Blue Grotto, one of the main attractions. A sea cave with an underwater opening that lets sunlight in, reflecting off the water and creating an otherworldly blue glow. But today's walking tour will highlight Capri's blooming streets and gardens, and the elegant streets, lined with luxury shops and boutiques. We're at the beginning of June, and the town of Capri is already bustling with visitors. But the weather wasn't this good the past couple of days, during which the ferries were suspended, so this might be because visitors couldn't come earlier. To reach Capri, you need to take a ferry from Naples or one of the towns on the Amalfi Coast. Journey times depend on the location or the ferry service, but are typically around 50 minutes for a Naples crossing, and a bit more if you travel from Amalfi. We started our tour in Piazza Umberto I. If you arrive by ferry in Capri, you will arrive at the port and need to climb up to the town. Options are bus, taxi, cable car, or walking. Any of these will bring you to this part of town. I took the cable car, and I will show you where it is, and where to buy tickets if you're planning a Capri visit and want to see your options. We're already going down Via Vittorio Emanuele, filled with elegant boutiques. It's such a vibrant part of Capri, and at this time, it's just starting to get busier. It's around 10:30, and the weather is a comfortable 23 degrees Celsius, 73 degrees Fahrenheit, which I believe is normal for the beginning of June. This is Hotel La Palma, one of the 5-star hotels on the island. And another one is the Hotel Quisisana, with its conveniently located terrace, perfect for people watching while sipping a cocktail. Via Camarelle, where we are now, is lined with luxury brands of all types, with a focus on iconic Italian fashion brands. As these streets are pedestrian only, these small cars transport goods to shops and hotels. As you saw, there's many of them. Pedestrians need to be careful, but the drivers are certainly trained and used to navigating busy streets. We are heading now to Giardini di Augusto. Gardens with stunning views of the coast and, of course, all kinds of flowers. Have you been to Capri? Let us know your experience in the comments. Another common shop you will find in Capri are fragrance shops. The tradition of fragrance making in Capri dates back centuries. Monks at the Certosa di San Giacomo monastery are credited with creating the island's first perfumes in the 14th century, using local flowers and herbs. The most famous example is Carthusia, the oldest perfume factory still operating on the island. The shop is in this location. We just arrived at Giardini di Augusto. Tickets currently cost €2.50, and there are automatic ticket machines right by the entrance. You will find different colors of bougainvillea here, but the highlight for me was the hibiscus flower, which is my favorite. These gardens were originally called Krupp Gardens, named after the German industrialist Friedrich Alfred Krupp, who had a villa on the island and funded the construction of the gardens. He also commissioned this path that goes all the way down to a small harbor called Marina Piccola. Today we will not go all the way down to the harbor, but I will show you how beautiful the view is from here. There's a bust of Krupp here as a homage to him. This path was originally created for Krupp to access his yacht moored at the harbor down there. We're now at Marina Grande, the ferry port. In this location, you can buy your ferry tickets and the cable car tickets to go up to Capri town. The cable car entrance is now in the picture. This is a very vibrant part of Capri because boat excursions also depart from here. If you want to walk up to town, it's about a 30-minute walk up the hill. I will show you where the path starts. Starting on these stairs, the path includes some steps along the way. If you're adventurous, you can take it. But personally, I'd recommend the cable car. I took the footpath on my way down here, and it was doable. It took about 20 minutes of walking. And we're concluding our walking tour here. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming. Thank you for watching.